Hello everyone, welcome back. From this lecture to the next few, we'll be discussing the methods used to modify string values. Of course, as previously mentioned, strings are immutable. Therefore, all of these methods will create a new string. Okay, in this lecture, we'll be focusing on the insert and remove methods. Let's start with the insert method. Here's the syntax of this method. The insert method is used to insert a specified string at a specific index number. After insertion, it returns a new modified string. For instance, if we wanna insert the number 20 into the myString value, we would need to pass 6 as a start index and 20 plus whitespace as a specified string. In this scenario, the result would be he is 20 years old. Now, let's jump into VS Code and see this method in action. Alright, first, we need to declare two string variables. Now, for inserting the C# value into the message value, we can use the insert method. To achieve this, we need to insert the value of C# at the beginning of the message value. In order to do so, we must pass 0 as the start index and C# as the string value we wanna insert. Now, let's display the result in the terminal and then run the application. Okay, we get the expected string value. Alright, the next method we wanna discuss is the remove. This is the syntax of this method. This method is used to remove a specified number of characters from a string. It takes two int parameters, the start index from where the characters should be removed and count for the number of characters to be removed. Then it returns a new string. For example, if we wanna remove Violet from the myString value, we need to pass the index of v, which is 5, as the start index, and 7 as the count of characters we wanna remove from the string. This is because Violet has 6 characters, plus this unnecessary whitespace. In this case, the result would be John Doe. Okay, we can invoke the remove method by passing only the start index parameter. If the count parameter is not specified, the remove method will remove all characters from the start index to the end of the string. For example, here, if we wanna remove all characters from this whitespace, we only need to pass the index of this whitespace, which is 8, to the remove method. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. First, let's declare a string variable. Before we proceed with this example, let's ask you a question. Can you guess what we need to pass as the start index and count parameters to remove these 3 dashes using the remove method? Okay, the removing is started from the index of the first dash, which is 3, and the count also would be 3. Let's display the result in the terminal and run the application. As you can see, we get the expected result. Okay, if we wanna create a string including only ABC, we have to remove all characters from the first dash till the end. Let's pass 3 as a start index and run the application again to see the result. As you can see, we get only ABC as we wanted. Okay, done. See you soon with another lecture.